She was married to his nephew, but Pastor Ian Wilkinson describes Erin Patterson as little more than an acquaintance. But he says he and his wife Heather were surprised and happy to be invited to lunch at Miss Patterson's Leongatha home. The prosecution in her murder trial today questioned the one surviving guest about the invitation. When asked whether Erin explained why she wanted to host the lunch, Ian Wilkinson replied, "There was no reason given for the lunch, and I remember talking to Heather wondering why suddenly the invitation." At the lunch, Pastor Wilkinson said conversation between the group turned to Ms Patterson's recently built home, but he says she was reluctant to show her guests the pantry. "I thought maybe the pantry's a mess," he said. Pastor Wilkinson says they weren't directed where to sit, and Gail and Don Patterson sat together, with Heather Wilkinson and Ms Patterson on the other side and Ian at the end. He also told the court Ms Patterson rejected help with the plating of the beef wellingtons, which was served to the guests on grey plates, while Erin's was a different colour. Pastor Wilkinson says he and his wife were admitted to Leongatha Hospital the next morning after becoming ill during the night. He told the court medical staff initially suspected food poisoning, with meat as the likely cause. But the next morning the couple were urgently transferred by ambulance to Dandenong Hospital for time-critical mushroom poisoning treatment. Ian Wilkinson appeared relaxed in the witness box, smiling often as he gave his evidence. He became more serious when he was questioned about the lunch and his police statement on Ms Patterson's cancer claims. Pastor Wilkinson refuted suggestions from the defence that Ms Patterson had told the guests she had suspected cancer. She plainly said that she had some sort of cancer. This was a serious situation. Having finished giving evidence in this case, Pastor Wilkinson left the Latrobe Valley Court in the company of supporters. The trial continues. Sasha Payne, ABC News, Morwell.